So today we are going to discuss problem based on application of integral from exercise 8.1. Okay. So first question from the exercise 8.1. This is the doubt. Find the area bounded by the curve. Find the area bounded by the curve x square is equals to 4y and x is equal, and the line x is equals to 4y minus 2. Okay. So area bounded by the curve x square is equals to 4y and the line x is equals to 4y minus 2. So first of all, we draw the graph of this particular parabola and the line, and we see here x dash y dash. Okay. Okay, so x square is equal to 4y. Which type of parabola this is? Y square is equal to 4ax, 4y, that is on x-axis, but this is the parabola on y-axis. This is the parabola x square is equal to 4y. Am I right? So this is the parabola. And what is the equation of line? Equation of line x is equals to 4y minus 2. If you see, first you put the value of x as a 0, you will get 4y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 by 2. If you put x is equal to 0 in this line, you will get y is equals to 1 by 2. So this is the point supposed to be 0, 1 by 2. 0, 1 by 2. This is the point. And if you put y is equal to 0, then x should be minus 2. So this is 1, 2. This point is 0, minus 2, 0. Now join these 2 points, you will get these 2 points, you will get the area bounded between this region. This is the point. So we need to find the area bounded between the curve and the line. Okay? Area bounded between the curve x square is equal to 4y and the line x is equal to 4y minus 2. So we need to find only this area, okay, between the line and between the curve. So how will we find? So first of all, we need to find point of intersection of the parabola and the line. So put the value of y in the equation, you will get point of intersection of these two curves. First we need to find point of intersection of these two curves of parabola and line. What we get, x is equals to 4y minus 2. So put here x is equals to 4y minus 2 whole square is equal to 4y, and this is nothing but 16y square, okay, plus 4 and 2 4 the 8 2 the 16 minus 16y is equal to 4y. So this becomes 16y square plus 4 minus 20y is equals to 0. 4 is common. 4y square plus 1 minus 4 5s are 5y is equal to 0. So either 4 equal to 0 or this. So 4y square minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. 4y square minus 4y minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. 4y is common. 4y y minus 1 and minus 1 y minus 1 is equal to 0. So either 4y minus 1 or y minus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 1 by 4 and y is equals to 1. So if y is equals to 1, then x must be 4 plus 2. Okay? And if y is equal to 1 by 4, then x is equals to minus 1. Okay? So this point is 1 by 4 and minus 1. That means this is minus 1 comma 1 by 4. And this point is 1 comma 2 comma 1. Okay? Now draw the perpendicular here, this and this. Okay? So the area of the shaded region is nothing but what? Area under this line minus area under the curve. Area under the line and minus area under the curve. What is the limit? Limit is minus 1 to 1 comma 0 and this is 2 comma 0. So required area, if you want to write, so first of all you note it down, then you can write the required area. Okay, so see the required area. Required area is nothing but required area A is equals to first area under the line minus 1 to 2 y is equals to x plus 2 by 4. From here y is equals to x plus 2 by 4, 1 by 4 x plus 2 dx minus area under the curve. Area under the curve from minus 1 to 2. So we will get what? Y is equals to x square by 4. So 1 by 4 x square minus 1 to 2 dx. Okay? Now you calculate it and get the answer. So 1 by 4 is common. So first of all this x square by 2 plus 2x from minus 1 to 2 minus 1 by 4 as I have taken common. So here x cube by 3 from minus 1 to 2. Close the bracket and now calculate it. 1 by 4 within bracket, this is 4 by 2, 2 simply plus 4. Okay? Minus this is 1 by 2 and minus 2. Bracket में 1 by 2 minus 2. This is with 1 by 4. This is the first part and the second part is, use curly bracket here. Second part is minus of within bracket this is 2 to the 4 to the 8 by 3. 8 by 3 minus of 1 by 3 plus of 1 by 3. क्यों ना? Okay? So this is 1 by 4 whole, 2 plus 4 6 and this is 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So 6 minus plus 6 plus 3 by 2, okay, and 6 plus 3 by 2, and this is 8 by 3 and 1 by 3, 9 by 3, this is minus 3, okay. So 1 by 4, and this is 2 6 ja 7 and half होगा ना ये, तो 7 and half means 15 by 2 minus 3, 7 and half minus 3, that is 4 and half, okay, 4 and half, that means 9 by 2. So 1 by 4 into 9 by 2, so maybe answer is 9 by 8 square. देख लो क्या आया, okay. So after this step you have to calculate and get the answer, okay. देखिए आंसर कितना है. इस कैलकुलेशन में थोड़ा बहुत मिस्टेक हो जाता है. 9 by 8 square, okay. So this is the accurate calculation, 9 by 8, okay. So only you have to calculate this. और कोई प्रॉब्लम बेटा जो इसमें हो या आगे की एक्सरसाइज में हो? नहीं, इसमें इस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर में इसको पूरा लगाए, आगे भी लगा लिया. नहीं, इसका चाहिए इस चैप्टर का पूरा. और कोई डाउट इसमें? यदि आपको निकलेगा हम बता दें इस तरह का क्वेश्चन. ये देखो, find the area of the region. Note down the question. Find the area of the region. Example number 10 from your NCERT book. Example number 10 from the NCERT book. See. Find the area of the region enclosed by the two circles x square plus y square is equal to 4 and x minus 2 whole square plus y square is equal to 4. Okay, we have to find the area of the region enclosed between these two circles. So first of all we draw the circles x dash, y dash, origin. So first circle is x square plus y square, whose center is origin. So this is the first circle, okay, and the second one, this is the circle whose center is 2, 0. Toda? 2, 0. Okay. So the first one is this one, and whose radius is 2, 0, and the second one is the circle whose center is 2, 0. Okay. So this type of circle we get. Okay. So we need to find area of this region. Area bounded by this region. So in this particular section, if you see the radius of second circle, this is also what? Not 2, x minus h whole square, y minus a square. This is also 2, that means radius is again 2. So this one is 4, 0. This one is 4, 0, and this one is 2, 0. Okay. And now, how will we find the area? These are the symmetrical parts. So if we find this particular area, okay, and just 2 times, then we get the whole area. So for this particular area, we need to find area under this curve, area under this curve plus area under this curve. So this is the x square plus y square is equal to 4, and this curve is x square x minus 2 whole square plus y square is equal to 4. So first of all we find the point of intersection of these two circles. Point of intersection of these two circles. These two circles. So what is the point of intersection? Solve both of them, you will get the answer. At the place of y square you put 4 minus x square in second one, you will get the answer x minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus x square is equals to 4. Okay, so x minus 2 plus x minus 2 minus x, this is equals to 0. Correct it is? ठीक है ना? So this one is the cancelled out. So 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. So this implies x is equals to 1. 1. Okay. So put this value of x in our equation. We will get x square plus y square is equal to 4. So this is nothing but y square x square. X square is equal to 1 plus y square is equal to 4. This implies y square should be 3. So y should be plus minus root 3. So this point of intersection is nothing but 1 comma root 3. And if you see downside, then this is 1 comma minus root 3. Okay. So limit is this 1 comma 0. So required area, first we find area under this curve, that means this region, and plus area under this region. So we can write directly the area under the curve. So first of all you note it down. कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है बेटा तो कितना आसान हो जाता है, अदरवाइज इन्हीं प्रॉब्लम्स को आप करते रह जाओगे नहीं होगा। तो अब तो हो सकता है ना। सो वी कैन राइट रिक्वायर्ड एरिया। ओके, डायरेक्टली वी कैन राइट हियर रिक्वायर्ड एरिया एंड यू कैलकुलेट एंड वी गेट द आंसर। रिक्वायर्ड एरिया इज 2 times area 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. This is 0 0. So 0 to 1 area under this curve. 0 to 1 this y root of 4 minus x minus 2 whole square dx. See area under this curve plus 1 to 2. 1 to 2 area under the curve this x square plus y square. So under root 4 minus x square dx. Now integrate, put the limit, you will get the answer. Okay, so note it down. और कोई डाउट है बेटा? कौन सा? हाँ, 4th मैंने बताया, इसको आप जो है जब देखेंगे है ना आपको एकदम क्लियर समझ में आ जाएगा। यहाँ से ज्यादा हम थोड़ा सा बता दे रहे हैं आपको। तो देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 किस एक्सरसाइज का बेटा? 8.2 एक्सरसाइज 8.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। एक्सरसाइज 8.1 क्वेश्चन 8.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। वर्टिसेस बोलो ट्रायंगल का। Using integration, using method of integration, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given -1 comma, maybe -1 comma 0 is here only, है ना? And then Huh?
1,3.
1,3 is here. 1,3.
3,2.
1,3 is here.
And 3,2.
And 3, 1, 2, 3, 3,2. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा बेटा. Okay, these are the vertices. So join these 3 lines. Okay, you will get this triangle. Understood? बहुत आसान कॉन्सेप्ट है अगर आता है तो. Only you have to use your concept and you will get the answer easily. A, B, C. यही था ना? Now see, this is the very easy. अगर ये इससे थोड़ा ऊपर भी होता तो और आसान, मतलब वो भी आसान होगा. ठीक है? Now see, draw the perpendicular here. These are the perpendicular. बेटा इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन को करने के लिए एरिया अंडर दिस लाइन, दैट मीन्स इफ यू मार्क A, B, C, D, E. ओके, आपको इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया निकालने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या करना होगा? एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल ABD प्लस एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल ट्रेपेजियम DBCE, ओके, माइनस एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल 1 मींस ACE. तो मिल जाएगा नहीं ये पार्ट? और ये बहुत आसान है. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ये निकालना तो इस लाइन के अंडर में एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रेपेजियम निकालना इस लाइन के नीचे का एरिया, एंड एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल निकालना दिस लाइन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू फाइंड एरिया, इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन AB, इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन BC, इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन AC, ओके, एंड देन easily find area under these curves, okay, and then add these two triangle and the trapezium and subtract this triangle, you will get the area. Sometimes if this point is here, okay, suppose this type of triangle, you have find the area. Okay, so you draw perpendicular here and see there are 3 trapezium. This trapezium, and this trapezium. Add these 2 trapezium and subtract the last one downside, and you will get the area of triangle. So simple concept. And how will we find the area? It is a very simple. Area under this line. Area under this line means limit from this to this. Suppose this is 1,3, so this is 1,0. So minus 1 to 1 area under this line, and you know the line equation of line. Okay. So thank you for today.